Hey there, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. Welcome to my channel, you all. I am Tierica Love, y'all. How are you all doing, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp? Hopefully y'all doing good. Y'all doing good. You doing good. You doing good. Okay, yes, you doing good. If you're not, speak it. Say it. Yes, I am doing just fantastic today. Okay? That's how we're going to do that. All right, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. I had a great idea. All right, are you ready to hear it? Are you ready to hear it? My idea is to give you all some advice for Valentine's Day. All right? So, hopefully this advice will be helpful to you all on Valentine's Day. Please know that these will be general messages, okay? If you find messages here that resonate with you, Scorpio, Sagittarius, cusp, please feel free to take them with you. If you find messages here that does not resonate with you at all, then please do just leave them here on the table, y'all. It's okay. And somebody else can pick them up that they will resonate with. You know, it'll be all right. Okay? All right. Scorpio Sagittarius, cuz let's jump into it. I'm going to get the song, okay? What is you all's theme song for Valentine's Day? What song is going to put you all in that mood here on Valentine's Day? Let's see. So the lyrics here to this song is, I can feel your body pressed against mine. Just wrap yourself around me. Uh-oh. So let's see, that's number 13. What song is that? Janet Jackson, Throb here. Okay, I'm going to find the song and I'm going to put the link to this song in the description box. You go listen to that. That is going to put you in a good mood, or that is your overall energy for the for Valentine's Day. Okay. All right. Now let's get you all some advice here, Scorpio Sagittarius. Cause let's get you all some advice for Valentine's Day. Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. All right. So I don't know, this person that you are wanting, maybe they will be unavailable here on Valentine's Day, but let's keep going. Know that Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. Know that you've done the work and abundance will flow to you here. All right. It might not be the individual that you are hoping for, but some abundance is coming in. Okay. Because you put in some great work, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. You got some obstacles here. So there are some unhealed wounds that is blocking forward movement. So make sure you just, when you're coming into Valentine's Day, just make sure you just try to start healing now so you won't bring in any unhealed wounds. Okay? All right? You got patience. So be patient with yourself. Maybe you got to be patient with your person here. Everything will unfold in divine time. All right. Let's get you all some more advice here. Scorpio Sagittarius. Okay. So you got confused. Someone is going to be a bit confused here on Valentine's Day. You're not going to know what to do here. You're not going to know which way to go. Okay. You might be confused here because this person that is unavailable, all right, it could have you a bit confused, but not for long, because you got the boss daddy here. All right, so that's what could cause some type of confusion. You could have some options on Valentine's Day. All right. Okay, and let's see. Could have a business owner coming towards you. They've been watching you here, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. Okay, somebody is taking pictures here, is getting some type of proof, getting some evidence, getting something. Okay. All right, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. So you got to watch your bad habits here on Valentine's Day. All right. Don't get too zooted and booted. Okay. All right. All right. So I do see someone coming towards you that you're going to feel this chemistry with. There is good positive vibes here between you and this person here. Both of you all, you got money on your mind here. Could be this boss daddy going to be making it rain for you, Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. Y'all know how to dance. Okay. Let me get y'all some more. Let me get y'all some more advice and stop playing because y'all play too much. Okay. Scorpio Sagittarius cusp. You got the childhood love here. So, We could have somebody coming in from the past on Valentine's Day here. This could be a maybe karmic energy here. All right. So I don't know. Let's see. You got social media. You got somebody watching you here. They stalking you. They watching you. Scorpio, Sagittarius, cusp. Okay. Let me get y'all a few more messages. All right. Y'all stand by me here. So this person not gonna want you to go anywhere, or they've been watching you because they want you to. They trying to stand by you here. I don't know, but somebody is praying about coming together with you, Scorpio, Sagittarius, cusp, all right? I don't know if you're going to be the one that is unavailable here to this person on Valentine's Day, but somebody got faith that things will work out in the end. Or if this is speaking on a person that you're wanting to connect with and it does not happen on Valentine's Day, just keep your faith. Know that things will work out in the end, okay? In the end, all right? All right, Scorpio, Sagittarius, cusp. So these are your messages. This is your advice for Valentine's Day. All right. Hopefully it will be helpful, you all. I salute the divinity in you all. I am sending you all so much love, so much light, so much positivity, y'all. I will see you beautiful people when next time. Okay. Bye.